So I'll be showing you how to make your Android phone automatically connect to a specific Wi-Fi network. So what you want to do is, first of all, go to the Wi-Fi settings page and connect to that Wi-Fi network. For this tutorial, I'm using stock Android, pure stock Android on a Google Pixel 8, but it's more or less the same instructions for other Android phones. So go to settings. So for this one, I'll go to mobile and internet, and then I'll go to internet, and then I'll go to Wi-Fi section. Okay. Now, once you get to the Wi-Fi settings page, the first thing you have to do is connect to that specific Wi-Fi network. So currently, as you can see, I'm connected to this Wi-Fi network, but I had to connect manually. So to enable auto reconnect, just tap on the settings icon to the right of that Wi-Fi network. That opens the network details page. Now here, what you want to do is find the auto reconnect or auto connect option, and you want to make sure that is enabled. And with that enabled, it means in future, whenever you're in the proximity of this Wi-Fi network, the one you're connected to, your phone will automatically reconnect to that Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.